Is the UV grip from SUPCASE going to be worth it for the new Z Fold 8? Let's find out. Starting off on the back, you do have a nice hard back material, so going to be great for shock absorption overall. You've also got that lens protector piece that does hang over those lenses, so if you drop your phone right on the camera lenses facing down, it's going to protect them. As you can see, it's just going to hit that popped out piece first. On the back, you've got that built-in kickstand. You can just easily flip that out. You're going to get your vertical viewing, and if you want to get that long horizontal view, you can also do that as well. And that's going to be MagSafe compatible, and it does have a nice MagSafe hold to it. Flipping it over to the screen side, you have a full-on built-in tempered glass screen protector, so you don't have to worry about any damage being done to your screen, especially when you drop it right on it. In the middle of the case, you also have that hinge protector piece, which does fold in and out nicely with the Z Fold 8 when it's on the phone. And you can also see that it has that nice grippy texture, so when you're actually on the phone, you can wrap your fingers around that and get a little bit more grip when you're using your phone. And lastly, each corner of the case does come equipped with these reinforced bumpers, so going to be even better for shock absorption if you drop your phone straight down or even on the sides, anything like that. Overall though, if you're looking for full protection for your Z Fold 8, cannot recommend the UV grip enough. I've done a ton of reviews on this case for different models, and I have no doubt that it won't protect the Z Fold 8. So it would definitely be a choice of mine if you are looking for just full protection. It's got everything you need, really convenient, super protective, and overall, I think it would make a great case for the new phone.